job, Adam. Good job. Up on the throttle. Feel that back end slide around. Oh, I looked at that rock. Damn it. Whoa! Okay. Ron, wait up. Stop, Ron. Let me give you a hand.
Say again?
Go ahead and wait. We had a little incident. I gotta...
do you need me to come back?
I'm trying to... Just a sec.
You broke up. Say again.
We're trying to pick the bike up. Stand by.
Standing by.
Oh, you got it? See, my problem is I can't lay my bike down. It has to be on a kickstand. You want to push it up over there in the flat spot?
You have to press the button, count to 2, then start talking.
Okay, we're back up. We're going to try to... Stand by.
My watch knew that I fell.
Oh, no.
That's funny.
His Apple Watch is reporting to him that he fell over. You want to go up to the flat spot to mount it or get on right here?
I'm going to get on the other side of it.
Okay.
So do you need me to come back?
No, we're hopping on the bike now. We're good. Stand by.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Look at all that gas. Okay, I have to hop on the other side of the bike and not drop it.
Hey, Ron, it's going to be a second. I got to adjust my grip guard. Copy that.
This is the hill the crash occurred on. Did some repair work, a little maintenance on the bikes. Of course, Ron's pointed the wrong way. You could have backed down the trail, that way you don't have to turn your bike around. Lesson in creative turning around on narrow trails by Ron. Boom. Nice job.
That was impressive.
Yeah. He taught me the old use the engine as a back brake trick in Walker Valley. So, it'll start. Come on, it'll start. Almost. Looks like my RPM changed. Now, if Adam's anything like me, which seems like he's doing a lot better than I did first time up here, he'll ride a lot more cautiously after the first crash. Yep. Good job, Adam. We both hop back on that horse and giddy up.